Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to delete lightboxes from Wix website. As you can see right now, I'm in my Wix website and here's I've created a lightbox. And now I will show you how to delete lightbox from your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor. Once you are in your site editor, in this left-hand menu, click on Pages and Menu. And here click on Lightboxes. And under Lightboxes, you will find all of your created lightboxes. Now, select the specific lightbox that you want to delete now. All you have to need, hover over on the lightbox and just click on this three dot. And here click on Delete. And click on Delete Lightbox. And the specific lightbox will be deleted from your Wix website. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.